Hey everybody, I'm Tyler from VIAVI Solutions, and I'm here with my colleague Matt Brown, and we wanted to talk a little bit about multi-fiber connectivity. Now, it's something that's been around for obviously a very long time, but Matt has really been around for the ride since the very beginning. So I wanted to bring you in, Matt, to talk a little bit about this and give some more depth to our viewers about what these connectors are, how they're different, and what they should be keeping in mind as they're starting to experience these in the field.
Sure. So almost from the beginning, not really from the absolute beginning, but MPO has been around for a long time. It is a multi-fiber connector. So what is an MPO? It's a connector that has many fibers on that single connector, as opposed to a Sam Charlie, which has one fiber on it, or an LC, which has one fiber on it. Even if you duplex them and gang them, there's still just one fiber on each of those connectors. So an MPO is a connector that has many fibers mounted on a single ferrule. It's been around for a very long time. It's been in our networks for a very long time, but it's been in a place where we don't have to deal with it, or a regular technician or it doesn't have to touch it and manage it on a daily basis, because it's been behind a panel, providing rapid connectivity of dense trunk cables and converting them into an LC form factor, or elsewhere on a backplane where we don't see it. Now, with a number of trends that are happening, we're really seeing that that the MPO is starting to come out from behind the panel, and it is on the panel, and you have to deal with it. So the technician is out there going, "What is this adapter? Like, what is this big rectangular thing? It's not a Sam Charlie, it's not an LC." And then he gets a jumper and it's got pins on it. What is that? And how am I supposed to put it in there? It's got this key on it. There's just a lot of things that are very different about the technology. It's a very good technology. It's a very powerful technology, but it has some things that are different that we have to deal with. And so that's what we should be talking about in the next series of videos.
Yeah, perfect. Glad to have you here, Matt. Over the next couple of videos, we'll be talking about all these things that Matt just talked about. So look forward to having you with us on these. Thanks a lot.
Find out more at Vicom's website.